This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Fuck the formal trading, that ain't how I roll. Take my time analyzing, that's how I get gold. Coffee getting cold, but I'm locked right in. Watching patterns form, know just where to begin. This ain't rocket science, just my daily grind. Same shit, different day, but I'm doing fine. Got my setup perfect, got my mind just right. About to make these moves, gonna do this shit all night. Sipping and trading, trading and sipping. Got my momentum, ain't no way I'm slipping. Numbers and patterns, patterns and flows. This is my rhythm, everybody knows. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Making money moves, Dale, this should feel fun. Fucking getting cold, but I'm still in the zone. Making money move, yeah, this shit feels like home. Fuck sleep, I got my morning mapped, while these other bitches still trapped in their naps. Quiet house, screens lit up bright, my setup perfect, everything's right. First sip hits, mind gets clear, another day to fucking dominate here. Watch the numbers dance and slide, while my coffee keeps me certified. Charts and coffee started right, yeah. Focus tight, mind in flight, mind in flight. Charts and coffee make it flow, yeah. That's the rhythm that I know. Second cup, now I'm in the zone. All these patterns speaking in code. They don't know about this morning grind, being sharp when others fall behind. Fuck that FOMO, I stay composed. Years of practice, that's how it goes. Every move calculated clean, this ain't luck, you know what I mean. Early bird gets the fucking win, that's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark, that's what sets the real one me. Early bird gets the fucking win, that's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark, that's what sets the real ones apart. Their cup's cold, but I don't care. These indicators showing me where to place it perfect, time is sweet, while amateurs still catch disease. This game ain't for the weak or slow, gotta be ready when it's time to go. Morning ritual got me trained, others sleep while I maintain. Charts and coffee one more time, yeah. This rhythm's yours and this rhythm's mine, this rhythm's mine. hours hit me with a different kind of peace. While the world's still quiet, I find my release. Just me and these numbers dancing slow, building patterns in my mind as I go. Something special about this morning, and way before the day is time to care. And I keep asking myself as the minutes tick by, and I keep wondering why every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? You asked me once why I rise before the sun. Said I'm chasing something that can't be outrun. It's not about the money or the gain, it's about finding clarity when things ain't the same. Each morning ritual brings me closer to truth. Like watching steam rise, I'm finding proof that patience builds more than just a perfect cup. It's teaching me when to hold, when they give up. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing if these thoughts align? Sometimes I wish you could see this morning meditation with me, where everything makes sense before the world gets intense. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? What's brewing in me?
Catching night while the world's still asleep. First light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view. Catching waves of data, riding them with you. Some see just numbers, I hear the melody. Each trend line speaking rhythmically to me. Time signatures changing, support levels hold. Breaking down resistance as the day unfolds.
Charts and coffee, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me.
Second cup hitting different minds, eye clear. Watch these price points dance, appear and reappear like a jazz musician. Reading between the lines, finding sweet spots where opportunity shines. Keep it cool and steady, no need to rush. Let the market breathe, feel that morning hush. Been studying patterns since you've been sleeping. Watching lines form art while knowledge I'm reaping. Strategy tight like a bebop groove. Calculated steps on when to make my move. Speed picks up, more intense delivery. Quick shifts coming, tempo changing fast. Gotta stay composed, make these moments last. Reading signals, catching every beat. Market symphony playing just for me. Mind state elevated, focus clean. This ain't just trading, this is art you're seeing. Charts and coffee, it has my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Want a ritual complete. Left my mark on these streets of green and red, but the rhythm stays in my head. Morning comes, I think of you first. Short lines dance while my coffee bursts. Been at this game since day one, teaching me patience like you always done. Charts and coffee, that's our way, that's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Numbers flow like the brew in my cup. Some days down, but we keep looking up. You showed me how to read these signs. Now every morning feels like yours and mine. Remember what you taught me about staying cool. When markets get wild, I follow your rules.
Good morning, guys. Let's swap this quick. How is everybody? Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Rumble. Good morning, Discord. I figured since I was late because I had to help with my neighbor's car, I would go ahead and we'll do TA together this morning. What do you think? Let me get my screen right here. Base image. Go. How is everybody?
Good morning, reality. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning, Paul. How are you?
Not too bad, my man. You're sitting here looking away at gold in the NQ.
I'm gonna ask you guys real quick, just so maybe. I mean, I know a lot of people, Riz, you especially, crickets and all. Do you guys want me to start the stream and just play the music and just stay on the starting stream until if this were to happen again, and just leave the stream running without being present, and then I could just open it up when I get here? Is that better for you guys so you can listen to the music, or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually dropped the playlist anyway, but I think it's a good idea. Just have a thing going, even if you can't come. Sure. Anybody that would knows from DC, and I'll probably be doing it if you're not.
Okay, that'll work. That's what I'll do from now on, guys. The whole thing is, and I think I don't know if any of you got exactly what happened, but basically, my neighbor. I always talk about my neighbor, right? My neighbor got rear-ended last night. So, and his car, they hit the back of him. I guess the kid was combing his hair. He was like fixing his hair while he's driving down the road and ran in the back of him. And the back, like, inner fender well and bumper and everything was pushed all the way in to where it was rubbing on his tire. And the trunk was, up. So I had me and the boys went out and fixed it this morning. So that's why I was That's why I was running late. So he basically, now he can use his car and do whatever he needs to do because he's still got to work and everything else. So that's what I was doing, guys. Wasn't trying to be late, but sometimes, unfortunately, life happens. Of course, we all already know this. So lines from... Okay, those lines are from that range that we were in. Look how perfect those lines played for that range we were in yesterday too, huh? Okay, let's get out of this. Go ahead and do our... So that's what it was, but I will... That's what I'll do from now on. I'll just start the stream, and everybody that knows that I won't be here. So then everybody can talk amongst each other, but I just won't be able to answer any questions, obviously, because I won't be actively at the computer. But you'll still be able to hear the music and all. So that's what I'll do next time. I thought about it after the fact because you guys were asking about the music. I was like, man, I should have just started it and let it run. It doesn't matter to me. You know what I mean? The only people that are going to be mad if we do something like that, unless you guys are mad, right? The only people that are going to be mad is famous last words. Me and the boys fixed the car. It's not fixed. It's movable at this point for him. It's definitely not fixed. It's a mess. But anyway, the only people that are going to be mad is the new people who come to the stream, right? And don't understand why it's just saying starting stream and they sit here. But I got to tell you, that's not what we run our stream for. Sorry, new people that are here. Once you guys are real ones and you show up every day, then you'll understand. And the stream's running for you at that point. But the stream's not running for people who are upset that we're not on here giving signals right now. So I will be honest with you. So take that for what it is. If it hurts your feelings, you probably ought to just go ahead and get off the stream, because this will not be the first time that you have your feelings hurt on this stream, I promise. 34,
especially if you don't like tacos.
Yeah. So oh my geez. All right, get to it. Let's get these daily levels quick, get all this stuff done. Feel like I'm way behind. It's already 8 till 9 and I don't even have my TA done yet. Jeez. Low 3397.9. All right, 3397.9.
Be the rumble feed up?
Yeah, rumble feed should be running.
Okay, hold on.
Uh-oh. Rumble feed is not running. Why is the rumble feed not running? Rumble feed is not running. Oh, I forgot to push start. All right, give me a second. Should be there soon. It's already started in my thing, but I forgot to start it on OBS. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. Thank you, Paul.
No bother.
Working now? No, not yet. I don't think anyway. Live. How do I make it live? How do I make you work now, Rumble? There we go. Now Rumble stream's up and running. Jeez, I forgot to push with Rumble. Since I don't do any of the rest of them, it used to be that I had they've got targets on OBS, and when I did all of them, I just push start all. Well, YouTube starts by itself because that's the original, platform that I use. But you have to go all the way to the bottom and hit Rumble. Oh, you know why? Because Kick's running. I push start on Kick. Yeah, I'm gonna stop that, I guess. Is anybody there on Kick? I don't know if they're messaging. You know what? Paul just said it. Say it again, Paul.
What was that?
Say what you just said about Kick.
Kick? Oh, fuck him.
Okay. All right. I stopped it right as you said that. Beautiful. Just as you said it, then I stopped it. Later, Kick. Or they're gone, so they can't hear us now. Beautiful. All right. Yeah. All right. 4 hour. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
I like your
Kick pissed me off. I'll be honest with you.
Yep.
All right, here comes the wick for this candle right here. Hopefully we'll put this wick on now. Boom, we'll go ahead and put an arrow there, but that's, yeah, beautiful, beautiful. That's where we are headed. Beautiful. All right, so here we are. What's Dixie doing? Not a sideways, NQ, not a lot more. ES and NQ solar, they running together. Soul may not be here because I didn't show up. Sorry, guys, for whoever didn't hear because I didn't show up. Why is this out here like this? Huh. Anyway. All right. Looks like we are rocking and rolling right at weekly open, though. Jeez. Save that. There we are. All right. Let's see. Good morning, Man Bear Bull. And again, that's what I will do from now on, Paul. What I'll do is I'll just go ahead and start the stream just like normal and just leave it on the starting screen with the music running. And that's what we'll do. Does that say Jack in the Box tacos? Oh, it sure is. Those are Jack in the Box tacos. Oh my geez. I wonder if I've never had a taco at Jack in the Box. Not going to lie. So I don't know if that's I don't know. I do not know. Good morning, Aiken. I don't know. Aiken's having some tacos, but I don't think they'll be Jack in the Box tacos. I remember they used to have this thing at Jack in the Box. I believe it was called a Jumbo Jack. I ate Jack in the Box just a handful of times. Back then, that was back when I was, I don't know, maybe 16, guys. And I was working landscaping, and we were doing landscaping for Jack in the Box. And that was like the only time that I actually really ever had Jack in the Box. So good morning, Bands. Just saw you as well. Sorry, guys, if I haven't said good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody gets me. I just a little behind because we had a lot of good mornings. And like I said, I was trying to get his car fixed up for him so he could get back to it today.
I moved my stop loss too close. Stopped out. God damn it.
It happens. It happens. It happens.
I just need to have more confidence and more experience to trade right, because I was on a very good level there. So realistically, I shouldn't even have moved stop loss past break even. Another lesson learned.
Sammy, you were on the kick stream. Yeah. Well, it's a whole lot better to be over here. I used to stream on Kick and Twitch, Sammy, and I may go back to it at some point in time. But what had happened was over on Kick, and maybe you know about this. I know nothing about Kick. We were streaming there for a bit, right? And what had happened was one day people came in and said, "Follow me, I'll follow you." And I'm like, "All right, fine." And we had like 4 or 5 people come in, say, "Follow me, I'll follow you." That's fine. I didn't care. I'll follow people. And even Paul said, "Well, these could be scammers." And I'm like, all right, don't matter. I don't care to follow people. What does it matter, right? And then some people started coming in and saying, "Follow me or I'll report you." And that really got on my that got on my nerves. I said, okay, well, I mean, if this is really where you guys are at over here on Kick, we're just not going to stream on Kick anymore. Real simple. You don't if all you're gonna do is say follow me or I'm gonna report you, then report me. And it doesn't matter to me. I don't really care where I stream at or don't stream at, Sammy. I do it to help everybody. Basically, we got a free Discord. Everything I do here is free. We do it to help other people and build a community. So it's all for, the purpose of building a community and having good people. And if Kick's going to, be that way, then, we don't need Kick. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter to me any. Should I go try a Kick again? This has been a little while. How long has it been, Paul? How long ago was it that we stopped streaming over there?
Must be a couple of months now at the stage of the game.
Yeah, I think so. And I mean, that's kind of what it was. I accidentally, when I was hitting Rumble, because we stream on Rumble too. We used to stream YouTube, Kick, Twitch, Rumble, and then of course in our Discord. And we stopped streaming on Kick and Twitch. So when I tried to start the Rumble stream, I accidentally you know, put on kick anyway. And again, I'm not saying we won't start again over there, but I will tell you, Sammy, it's a lot better to be over here on the YouTube side. We don't have near the issues over here that we have over on Kick. The problem was we had nobody showing up, right? And when we did have people showing up, it was only people trying to basically act a mess rather than wanting to be part of what we had going on. So I appreciate you coming over here, though. If you want to join the Discord, by all means, go ahead. If you're just stuck with Kick and just have to be over on that side, you know, maybe I can try to work something out for running Kick too, if you're going to be, you know, consistently showing up and things, but... All right, DXY is moving. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. See. Really want to learn, so you should help me out, you know. Oh yeah, absolutely. That's what I do all day, every day. If you haven't joined the Discord, you might consider that. If you don't have Discord, I get it. But if you haven't joined the Discord, you might consider doing that. It's free Discord. Everything that goes on is free. We have no paid nothing. That's not how we run. Everything we do is free. And a lot of, you know, Paul and Aiken and, you know, all these guys are live trading even past the stream. Tons of knowledge. Tons of, you know, we've got PDFs on any kind of strategy that you want to learn or anything else that we drop, everything else. So, I mean, everything for free, again, like I said. So, if you want to learn, truly want to learn, you came to the right place.
Mm-hmm.
But you got to put in the time, you know. That's all part of it, sadly. Learning is a process. It's no, hey, I go pay a mentor, you know, $100 a month, and all of a sudden, good morning, soul. And all of a sudden, you're a master trader. Doesn't work that way.
First cup steaming beside my screen. Charts and candles know what I mean.
That trade is still running.
Yeah. A little tough right now. We had a very small top wick on the last candle, and now, you know, you kind of considering the flip here. Not saying it will. We should tap the 0.5 of this consolidation range first, probably, hopefully, for that top wick. Can't you still go up? Absolutely, but let's see what we could do. It could go up there, tap that, and then give a flip and come back down. Not super interested.
We've also worked the previous two 30-minute candles, and we're looking for a small cleanup roughly around 423.
Yep.
What I've been looking at. So after that, we'll have to wait and see what happens.
Yep. I like that.
It's the hardest part of the game.
Yeah. Patience is the hardest part. Sitting there, not doing anything is what everybody struggles with more than anything, which is kind of crazy when you wrap your head around it, right? Because that should be the easiest part, but for whatever reasons, it is the hardest part for everyone. You trade already, Sammy, or you're super new, just now learning? Very nice. Yeah, we do some NQ too. Sometimes Forex. Yeah. We do some NQ too. That's a majority of what is traded on the live after the stream's over. The guys that are in the actual live chat trading poll, taking them, they're trading in queue all day, and I trade in queue after. I try to wait until after 2. Basically the stream will be over around 11:30. I don't really like trading in lunch hour because it's so slow. If there's an opportunity, I will, but then I like to trade, you know, after lunch, normally around 2 to 4. And we have a couple end-of-day trades that we do over in the live too, that we call for in queue, if you want to be part of that. So those are right before the close.
I was some move yesterday evening, reality. After 9 p.m. my time, I called it a day after we got our 2 final trades done. And next thing then, Aiken's level that he was looking at came in and just blasted right through it. We were sitting watching that all day. But it was 9 o'clock at night and my eyes were going square at that stage of the game, so I had to stop. Of course, then I went up and sat down in the living room, flicked on the chart, and next thing in, this massive green dildo right to the moon. Well, at least Aiken got it. He got a great trade off it, so I was happy about that. We were watching that the entire day of the of the stream after you finished up. He sat there all afternoon.
Yeah, I actually didn't take anything. I was the same way. I didn't take anything until the last 2 trades on NQ yesterday either. I was playing around with some music and stuff like that, and NQ just wasn't really doing anything. It was super sideways for the afternoon until those 2 last trades. Then we actually got some movement, but it was funny because just like you said, after those, NQ actually moved. It actually moved quite a bit after the fact, so that was just enough to kickstart it, I guess.
I'm telling you, man.
All right, let's see if the open won't bring something here, guys. Hopefully.
That was a 327 pick drop from Asia high to the bottoming out.
Yeah,
so that's a massive drop. That's a big drop.
Not quite there yet. I haven't even looked at my Ninja Trader yet. Jeez. Gotta see what we're doing. Oh yeah, 2-2. Yeah, she looks like she's already gonna maybe roll over some. We got the high. I'd like to see that 0.5 hit before I'm satisfied, I'll be honest with you. I see him come up and break the high again and at least check that 0.5 if we're going to roll over and come back down. I think the 0.5 is going to be about the same as the 0.5 of that fair value gap too. You see what I'm saying? So I would really like to see that. It's going to be a little high. It'll be a little high. It's probably more like here. So I guess that is where she's reacting there. Yep, right at the 0.5 of that fair value gap. To the tick. Huh. That's interesting. which is probably about the same as the 0.5 of that vector too. I bet. It's close. Anyway.
Just got a quick scalp on in queue there.
Very nice, very nice. Sammy, I'm going to go ahead and give you VIP as well. What that allows you to do is speak in the live trading. All right, so whenever you come in there, you'll be able to talk. So like if you're in there in the afternoon or whatever with the guys after the stream or whatever, you'll be able to talk because we're on the live stream. So like Paul's talking back and forth. I don't allow everybody to talk unless I know that they're actually, you know what I mean? Because if everybody just came in and talked, then you could have people coming in acting crazy, doing crazy things on the live stream. So I make sure that they're actually people that are here, part of the live stream, and actually want to be part. So I give everybody the opportunity to open mic, speak, do things like that. I've got a new I've got a new playlist too, Paul. That yeah, well, I mean, not new. It's different than the one that you've got there because I went ahead and uploaded a video. I don't know if that makes it any better or not. But rather than having to go all the way back to try to find that live stream, like you dropped there, I've got an actual video. It's on the video side now. I don't know if that makes it easier or not, but I put one on there just so I thought maybe it'd be easier to go to rather than having to go through the live streams because we've got a ton more live streams than we do videos, obviously. So I put one over on the video side too. So if you just go to the channel and go to the videos, there's a playlist in there too. Don't know if that makes it easier, but it's on both sides that way. It's the same thing, except for the fact that it's just the playlist, just one time, rather than being such a long thing that's repetitively. It's just the playlist from beginning to end, just one time, and that's it. So makes it a little easier, I imagine, to scroll through too if you want to, you know, find specific songs because it's only one time through it. So I need to do the titles thing probably, but just I'm not 100% sure how you do that yet. But I probably need to figure out some way to do titles so that you can go to the song that you want to too on that video. But we'll see.
Yep, that's a good idea.
Yeah. And I'm gonna be doing a new playlist here before long as well, guys. And I can't tell you exactly when, right? But I want to do playlists for the holidays. This playlist isn't going to go anywhere. Don't get me wrong, but for the holidays, we're going to do new playlists, and then, you know, so, and I'll probably try to drop those just the same and see if we can do titles so that if something on there you like, you know, we can stay with it. So like Halloween playlist and stuff like that, that's going to be centered around, you know, our community trading and, you know, more of a Halloween sound or whatever. And I'm going to try to do the same thing for, you know, your holiday season as well, and New Year's, stuff like that. Hopefully. Don't know exactly how we're going to get that sound, but Halloween's a whole lot easier for me. That's I enjoy making that music more than I'm going to enjoy the holidays, but I'm going to try to do something so it seems a little festive, guys.
Oh, not festive music. I hate Christmas with a passion. Oh, it's the worst time of year.
Well, not like, hopefully more like seasonal. We'll see how it goes. You know me. I'll try to put some kind of spin on it that makes it better. We're not going to be doing no jingle bells if that's what you're asking. So. Jingle Bells is your favorite bands? Well, I mean, I don't think I can even do Jingle Bells, all joking aside, because I assume that it's going to be copyrighted or something. So, but I'm going to do something that's going to be festive-ish, right? Only this Christmas. Yeah, we'll see. I'm going to try to do something that's got somewhat of a twist to it somehow, but kind of, I don't know. We'll see. I'll try to come up with something, guys, where it's kind of festive, but I mean, if everybody hates it, then we'll just, go back to the original. But I try to switch it up a little bit. Just you.
Yeah, I have a personal vendetta against Christmas. I know that most people probably don't, but I have a personal vendetta. Let's just leave it at that. Gold is just ripping.
Yeah. I think we're probably about to that 0.5 now, but we are way too far currently to try to take that flip. Yep, right at it.
But Dixie is still pumping to a degree, but unusual for them both to be heading in the same direction.
Dixie, are you on the right chart?
Yes, you am from 91 to 90. Sorry, 98.1 to 98.6.
My 30-hour can, or my 30-minute candle's coming down.
You cutting out there?
Yeah, it's on the screen. This is what I see on Dixie currently.
Okay, hold on, sorry. Feet's way behind, for God's sake. Alright, I see now she's starting to come down. The last time I posted the chart, she was on the way up.
Alright. There's our
back to
0.5 tab. Let's see what happens, guys. Oh, you know what? I haven't made a song yet. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to see what in the world I got. Save back. Oh my geez. Yeah, well that's, what do you guys want? Princess ate the witch or make me late? It's too depressing.
your mic seems to be cutting a wee bit in and out, reality.
Is it? Is it good now or no?
Yes, perfect now, but just the last couple of sentences you were saying sounded like it was been cutting out, so that's why I disconnected and reconnected. I'm sure it wasn't my end.
Did she turn into a frog? No, she didn't turn into a frog, but the princess ate the witch. It's something. Let me adjust my settings real quick to make sure that my stuff's right. Should be good. Hopefully that's better now. You guys hear me good on YouTube, right?
You just cut out there, so you're about to say you on Discord.
All right, now can you hear me better? Can you hear me fine on YouTube, or am I cutting out there too, guys? Could be a Discord thing. You already know that, Paul, sadly.
Okay, I'm going to switch to YouTube.
All right, do I sound clear over here, guys, or you're good? All right, Man Bear Bull, thank you, thank you. I'm good on YouTube. Sound good, Paul? Can you hear me over here? I want to make sure it's not on Paul's side. Sounds good on YouTube. Okay, so it's a dang Discord thing. I swear, I'm gonna go ahead and exit out of Discord. The messages will still come across, guys, because the chat's open. It should anyway, but I'm gonna go ahead and exit out of there so it's not pulling. It messes with the audio. I don't know what's wrong with Discord. I always have issues over there. It should still drop messages. Let me make sure here. Yeah, that came through. So messages will still come through, but nobody's there. This is the second time we had the issue. Like, I know, and I don't understand it because it seems like it was working just fine. Now, here we are again. It's so crazy to me. But seems like most of the people leave the Discord anyways as soon as I go live over here, so it's not that big of a deal, I don't guess, but yeah, it is. I hate that it does it. Sounds crispy. Beautiful. Like Kentucky Fried Chicken? Yes, I do too, Paul. That's why I wish there was a better solution. I still think that Video Ninja was a good solution. I liked that as a solution, but it wasn't perfect either. That was part of the problem. Yeah, I know. And I don't have problems in Discord either. I don't know. Nah, I shouldn't say that because I believe I had problems without. It's only when I share. I thought it was only when I shared the screen, which seems odd to me now because we're not sharing the screen anymore. So I don't know. I really don't know what it is. That's the problem. It doesn't make any sense to me as to why it acts up like this. Discord just does not like me. It's the only thing I can think. I can do something here.
send you this message straight from my mind. When everything clicks, leaving chaos behind. Feel the pulse in my veins as I start to flow. Time starts bending, letting everything go.
Short on NQ. Very nice, very nice. I'm seeing if I could set this up real fast.
In the soul, time dissolves, everything becomes clear.
If that works. I think that was all I did, but I'm not 100% sure. Invite a guest.
Each pattern I see,
See what this looks like real quick. I'm going to drop this for you, Paul.
every signal I read tells me just what
Paste. Oops.
breath gets steady, heart beats in time as I rise through the layers, everything's fine.
I don't know if I'm here or not. Is the only thing. I think I'm here. I don't remember this thing. But we'll see. I dropped the link in the server. I think it's right.
Everything becomes clear. Lost count of the hours, found something divine, connected to power that was always mine. La, 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 la.
Yeah, see, it says Paul. Now I think you can unmute and you should be able to talk, and I believe that it should come across the stream, but that's going to be the next thing. I believe it's right. Oh, I have to unmute you. Now, yes, I can hear you. Yeah, can you hear him on the stream, guys? Somebody say yay, nay. Nope. Okay, talk again, Paul. No, yeah, they can't. Okay. All right. All right. Well, we'll just get out of this. I was just wondering. This is why nobody liked it. All right. That'll work. Thanks for the try anyway. Yep. Yeah, sorry guys. I don't know. How do I leave out of here now? Hopefully that's it. All right. Good morning, Initian. How are you this morning? Any idea today? Yeah, we were looking for the 0.5 to be hit. We hit it. I mean, that's about the only idea we had so far. Nothing that you could take advantage of. But we did close under. But now we're making a bottom wick, so... you can argue a flip here, but there's not enough wick to take advantage of, unfortunately. 11 ticks. would love to see a nice move, you know, down, some kind of consolidation, something. And then we can try to run it because it's super tough to go long here. And I guess if it breaks the highs, since we held the 0.5 for you guys that want to get risky on it, you could take a break of the lows because we did hold the 0.5, but I think that's going to be super, super, super tricky right here. You will get shorts coming in right here. So as soon as we get up to this area here, let's get this out of here. You'll have shorts come in right here. We're definitely going to have shorts, right? You guys already know this. But this flip would be your big stop loss. If it breaks the highs, it's even a better flip, all joking aside, because that'll shake all the shorts out before going back down. You're looking to put wicks on these candles down here. The problem is it did close below the 0.5, and I mean, we know that that probably means she's probably going to respect it, but you're trading with the traders again, and you already know I have a hard time with that one. But this is a decent setup for traders to be short here. Right here, they're going to be shorting it pretty good, right? So if it runs the stops first, that would certainly be better. But then it's all about how's your entry. So what you're looking for is to run this high. Yep. PLC below. And our next range is going to be here, right?
Listen up, this ain't about me, it's about you. Everyone in grinding one do charts and patterns speaking truth. Market wisdom flowing smooth. Connected minds all breaking through. Community that's tried and true. Building wealth, we're coming through. Learn the game and follow through. That's what winners always do.
Small step, day by day, building strength, breaking waves. Together we rise up high. Nothing can hold
It should sweep here. Once we pop that top, it should push up pretty quick. And I wicked out there anyway.
when you feel lost. I'll show the way. When markets cross, just hear me say. Together we love. Together we rise up high.
To make a decision today, yeah, you're not kidding. It's a little tricky. Should push up here. Let's go. Let's go. There's a red folder later. What? I hadn't even seen the news yet. Believe it or not, Riz. What do we got? It's 10 a.m. or? It's talking at 1 p.m. Beautiful. Well, I always love that. Should be super good. Where'd everyone go? We're all here. Aiken, we're all here still. PMI. Okay, at 10, right? I assume. There's our tap. You should see shorts try to control here. They should come back in, put on this top wick. Let's see if they push through them or not. There they're coming in. Trying to sell it down. I think they're going to get pushed through, honestly. It'll be a pretty decent move once we tap that top. They're trying to hold. Now remember, their stop losses from entering it, they're entering here, right? Their stop losses are going to be right here above these highs. Got 2 quick scalps on GC and NQ. The trading gods are listening today. Very nice, Paul. Very nice. See if we can push through here. Open that up again. Yeah. $15-minute flip on NQ. Yeah, I kind of like the 15 on NQ. Not gonna lie, Paul. We talked about that yesterday. Kind of like the 15 on NQ. I really do. Dixie just tapped the 50. Yeah, it don't look like she's bouncing neither. PMI is going to be interesting with this move up already. 20 minutes, guys. Purchasing Managers Index says. I don't ever pay a lot of attention to it, but very nice, Paul. Very nice. You know what, Paul? Maybe I should have just left and came back. I never thought about that. Let me try that quick. Aiken, you're still here, right? Can you hear me, Aiken?
Oh shit, yo.
Does it sound good or not? Maybe I should have just left and came back. I never thought about that. Maybe that would have been the ideal thing.
Didn't realize my music.
You hear me yakking as well?
Yep. You guys are good.
So I'm clear now? Oh.
Yeah.
That is so odd. Like, what's the reasoning? I don't understand.
You need more tacos.
Well, I'm not going to argue with you there, Aiken. I believe that is the case. I have not had tacos yet this morning, so I mean, I could, yeah. I mean, it sounds like a wifey problem at this point, doesn't it?
Yeah, she's not preparing enough last night for tomorrow today.
Messing the whole Discord audio up because of lack of tacos. I mean, there's needs in life, guys. Oh my jeez, it's hilarious. Anyway, just as long as it's working, that's what I should have did. Paul, next time remind me that. I can't believe I didn't think of that. I should have left and came back. That would have been a lot smarter than just leaving and not thinking about it, because obviously it's me that Discord hates for whatever reason.
It could just be a bad connection. Reality, sometimes it happens.
Yeah, very true, very true. I wish things would just work exactly like this, because this is the most ideal for Discord to work, audio to work. I've got the OBS set up this way. I'm not sure my OBS audio is set up for Video Ninja anymore. I think that's why you weren't coming through. I don't know for sure, but I don't remember. It's been too long, you know. So I wish everything would just work like this, so that we don't have to change anything. Makes it much easier.
Yep. Minor inconvenience.
Yeah, absolutely.
This one, the hour has just flipped on, and I'm out for $30.
Very nice, very nice.
Were you gonna short or long?
It was a long, Aiken. I was sitting watching away on the 15, the 30, and the hour, and I kept watching for the hour flip. I got on a little bit late, which was why I literally got out once I seen $30. It was a very impulsive one. I was watching, but I missed it, and I should not have taken the entry, but still, yourself.
Don't do it, bro. You're getting into a bad habit.
It was setting up nicely on the 800. You could see the swing bottom in. So, like, you know, not that you're guaranteed, but there's a good chance you're going to grab a few ticks.
It looks like it was liquidity grab, if you ask me, bro.
To me, it's just their flip, man.
That's a giant wick on the hour, bro.
It was, but if you drop down then to the 15, then it's not. Yeah, it was a massive, massive wick. But like you say, yeah, sorry. Yeah, you mean the wick was the liquidity grab?
Yeah.
Yeah, anytime you see a massive big wick on an NQ, and this is not financial advice, anybody that's listening, so fuck you anyway. What I'm saying is, if you ever see that big massive long wick, there's a dang good chance that it's going to go the opposite direction. I'm not going to say it happens all the time, but if you look back through your charts, find anywhere where there's a big massive wick, and just do your own research. I don't want anybody coming back here saying, "Oh, you tell me this or you tell me that." I'm only simply pointing out that if you see a big massive wick down into a range, sweeps it all, start looking for the opposite direction. Then after that, obviously, as long as all the other TA lines up. Just a little bit of thing that we've noticed from being on here all the time.
Yeah, I need some coffee, god damn it.
Yeah, stop loss was hit on the gold.
It'd be foolish for me to jump in. I don't think it'd be foolish, but I know it wouldn't be a great risk to reward.
No, it was. I was trying to preempt it on its ride to the Asia high. I knew shorts were coming in, but I thought with the strength of the movement, so it goes to show you what thought does. Don't think, guys, like that way. Make sure you've got the setup first. I was trying to front run that one. So it's my first loss of the day, so I don't feel too bad.
I say we targeting for Nasdaq. I see us targeting the 415 area.
415. Let me zoom out here. Yeah, spot on market structure. Exactly. You can see the put a line across here. I'll have to immortalize you now, I reckon, on a line.
I'm just being a soft taco and being scared.
Right, I now have you forever immortalized on my chart, Aiken.
What is?
Aiken's level. Blame him if it doesn't work.
Put it on your chart so if it don't work, you're like,
Yeah. Normally would have said market structure, but I just thought this time we'll just change it for this one.
Look at these two clowns talking to each other.
What two clowns?
What did one clown say to the other? Oh, just two dudes on the street.
Yeah. Hold on. Hey, Warner.
Good morning, Warner.
is smooth, connected minds all breaking through. Community that's tried and true, building wealth, we're coming through. Learn the game and follow through, that's what winners always do.
Yeah, see, good thing it didn't take that long. You would have been crushed by now.
On gold or the
Nasdaq?
Let me see. Yeah, London high rejected quite strongly. But if you look now at the 15 minutes, the last two 15-minute candles has swept the entirety of today's trading. Literally. It's all the way down to Asia low, London low, and the sweep to Asia high and London high. So the range has been completely and utterly cleaned. So I suppose what we have to wait now. Oh, go and ask Reality that question about the buyers and sellers things we were talking about yesterday, Egan.
Oh, you want me to ask them?
Please do.
Oh, give me a second. I gotta park this thing real quick. Hold on.
No worries, no rush. I'm gonna get a glass of water. I'll be back in 2 seconds.
HR. I think HR is in this building.
Charts light up my screen. Time moves differently in the sacred space where patterns race. Through my mind so clear as others disappear. When the world sleeps, my mind awakens. Every trade flows like meditation. There, I study every line. Trade, I make the moment mine. When it's written in the signs. LearnTradeWin, we rise and rise. Vibing with the market flow. Heart on strong when others go. Finding my
I'm kind of getting a little FOMO on this. I'm not gonna lie.
What on NQ?
Watch.
On NQ, yeah.
Oh yeah. She's still in range. Don't get scared. No, don't get worried yet. She's still in range, really. I mean, if you put her in a box, right? It's looking something like this. So you're not really missing anything yet. Now, if she closes outside, maybe you start thinking about it. But as of right now, you see what I'm saying? She did come and sweep the lows. Wouldn't have been a bad entry if you were down on the, not great. You don't have a bottom wick. 15, like Paul said, is probably really the best, but yeah, I wouldn't be too worried till we start coming up here and really start breaking these highs. Big rejection on gold, guys. Big rejection. The wifey's putting together that those recipes for you, Paul. She's trying to put together the metric stuff because so that it's the same as what you're looking at, so it's not so confusing.
Excellent. Thank you very much, receptionist, if you're listening.
Yeah, she heard you. She heard you.
Venmo,
Yeah, he can now. Paul's gonna have tacos. That's what this is all about. We're gonna see if Paul, and maybe he doesn't like them. He doesn't like them, and then what are you gonna do, Aiken? Maybe he's like, hey, this is horrible. Why would anybody eat anything like this? And then what are you gonna do?
And then we're gonna have to find the server.
No.
I'm trying to work this.
There's absolutely no chance that I'm not going to like this. The only problem that I have is accessing actual fresh stuff like the guacamole and the salsa. Very hard to get that shit here in Ireland.
Well, you I mean, can you get avocados, or can you not get avocados either?
You can get avocados, but it's like saying you can get a coconut and then compared to one you get in Jamaica or somewhere. That's the difference. Yeah, you can get them, but they're hard things, and everything else. But
He said we're not primitive.
Yeah, I mean, we make the wifey. She makes her own salsa. She makes her own guacamole. She makes everything out of just the stuff. So makes your own tortillas, everything. So you don't have to. You won't have to have the actual. You just have to have the ingredients rather than having to have anything that is already pre-made, which should make it a little easier. But I don't know. Makes it a little more time consuming. But at the end of the day, I promise you, it's way better. For sure.
Oh yeah. I know the difference between store-bought shit and stuff you make yourself. Not even the same universe.
Exactly.
Fans goes, I'm hungry now.
You know what I'm still laughing about, Paul? Was remember we were watching Top Step People?
There's a wild bad echo coming through there. I find it hard to hear you, Aiken.
And Baines is hungry too.
You remember when we were watching the Top Step People?
I do. Oh yes.
With the Mandy chick.
Oh God, yes.
And she was trying to target 1,000, and she ended up losing 800.
That's right. That was only one trade.
Yeah, I can't, dude. Yeah.
300 and they were 384 down by the time that we were looking at it. I was telling Reality earlier on the day they were 311 down for the house account. So I was explaining the Aiken next thing, and I looked up and it was like 378 and climbing.
I can't, dude. Yeah.
Oh, I can. I love these guys. What does the market maker watch Top Step?
That's funny.
I was sitting there watching it today, and the guy talking about 40 years experience. He was asking one
echo feedback
exponential or moving average after 40 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
You have your other speaker on? Because
It's funny because you guys are hearing echoes up from one another, and you both are super clear to me. It's very weird.
I feel like it comes from Paul.
Yeah, I'm not hearing it at all.
Look,
I hear my voice in the background.
check. Can you hear me?
Check. Oh, look at the candle. What's going on?
I'm still hearing you.
Yeah, I can hear you. Back to the previous. Is there news?
PMI, yes. PMI.
Oh, I don't know.
Should go and grab them stops now.
Okay.
See if we can get them. Right here. Should sweep this, hopefully. No way did they put their stops here. Bet they did. Oh my jeez. Okay.
Oh, we 4 are open as well. Jesus, how did I miss that?
Yeah.
4 are open.
I say we see gold back down, dude. I think that grab was
Uh-huh.
well, Mexi, no, we may see some more even up in the 437.4 area.
You watch how this
I wonder if it'll be the weight created on the way down.
yeah,
What?
that's what I'm thinking about. Sorry, reality.
No, I'm trying to figure out, Baines, what was what chick fit? What are you talking about?
Check fit.
I don't know. He said, was that chick fit? I don't know.
Gap and NQ. Yeah.
Reality said he wants to do a kickflip.
Man, those last 3 candles on the NQ Ekin have been fucking insane on the 15 minutes.
Oh, I gotta get going here soon.
Really annoying when real life gets in the way, isn't it?
And I know, I just wanna drop kick an alligator. And then you know what? We'll make alligator tacos.
Alligator's Alligator's supposed to be quite tasty. Of all of the travel documentaries and stuff I've seen on YouTube about rednecks in Alabama, they seem to like the what do you call them, the crocodile meat.
It's a sport in Louisiana, ain't it?
Oh, no idea. I've just seen different shows about people eating crocodiles out there.
Baines was asking Paul if the chick on Top Step was fit. I guess that's what, I don't know. I don't watch Top Step, so I can't answer that question there, Baines.
She had a black tank top, I think, or white tank top, and she was blonde, blue eyes. She was the skinny one, not the I think they brought a heavier chick later in the set. She was the skinny one, Mandy.
I didn't pay any attention, bands, because I was that doubled over and laughing. I
only remember because when she was already in drawdown, and then they had to wake up, and she got excited. She's like, "Oh yeah, it's going," because she was trying to target $1,000. Right, so it waked up, and she was up like 300, and she didn't close it. And then it made it went back down, and I started looking at her face because I wanted to see her reaction when, like, her knowing it's coming down. So as the candle turned red and it got closer to a stop loss, I was looking at her face because I wanted to see her reaction, how she reacts to, a pressure situation. Because I think she ended up losing like 800 on that trade, so that's why I remember her, because I was looking at her reaction and how she presented herself during, about to get stop loss. That's why I remember.
Yes. That's right.
Oh my jeez.
Especially because, like, I think like 10 minutes before that, she had just talked about how long she's been doing it, and then the wick came up, so she even got more excited because it was kind of like, oh yeah, I'm about to show these boys, and then bam.
Oh my gosh.
I'm a terrible person. Forgive me, Lord.
They have 4.6k watching now on their live stream. They have 4.6 thousand people.
I gotta go take care of a job. I'll be right back.
All right,
No
see
bar,
you.
mate. you go sit down, man.
Got me locked and loaded up. Numbers dance before my eyes, while profits show me love. Analytics in my veins, I'm strategic when I cut. Push and pull the perfect tool, I know just when to strut. Methodical, analytical, statistical drive. Critical, pivotal, individual vibe. Watch and wait until it's time to come alive. Then I strike with perfect time and watch me thrive. Slow it down, let me break it till you clean. Everything I got I earned through discipline. Patience is the power that'll make you mean. Weigh and watch, then strike, that's how we win. How we win, how we win, how we win. Back up in it with the quickness, witness this precision. Split second decisions, crystal clear vision. No permission needed for this demolition. Competition wishing they can match my composition. Tactical, practical, mathematical mind. Strategical, radical, handling time. Watch me stack it, pack it, crack it, then I shine. Perfect pattern, matter of fact, I'm too refined. Calculated killer, market thriller. Smart, get it hard, solid starter. Calculated killer.
It is a bit slow though, guys. I mean, we're moving, but she's a little bit slow now too. Let's see what she does here. All right, Paul, see you in a little bit. Keep the price where it is. Okay, okay.
Just movement, cold and precise. You blink, you're gone. Pay the trader's price. Chasing the edge, I'm riding the storm in this chaos. My will is reborn. I've been wrecked, I've been played, but every loss is a blade. Sharper now, I don't flinch no more. This ain't luck, it's a mental war. I won't break, I bend and I strike. Trading stars in the dead of night. Breathing the fear, exhale the doubt. And choose loud, but I'm louder, I shout. You're ruthless, wild like a flame, taking my soul, but I'm playing your game. I rise, I fall, I bleed, I crawl, but I still come back and I give it my all. You can't break me, not today. This track cuts deep, but it won't fade away.
Woke up at 6, charts lit like a flare. Coffee in hand, I take my trader's chair. NQ on the screen, moving like it's on fire. Up 30 points, now we're spitting out wires. Wicks like whips, slapping dreams on the low. Thought it was a breakout site, fake show. Liquidity hunting, stops getting bled. It pumps like a king, then dumps you instead. And you be wildin', wildin', heart rate rising. One tick in, now I'm analyzing. Breakouts break me, fake out, shake me. This ain't a market, it's a straight up daydream. Me wild, who be wildin', fast like lightning. Slaying my stops, man, this chart's exciting. You think you got it? Nah, it's a trap. Welcome to the jungle, better check that map. Indicator climb, bro, I'm out of clues. EMA's drunk and the RSI snooze. Price moves clean, that's a straight up myth. It jukes left and right, now you're off the cliff. The algos dance, tick for tick precision. Retail guessing while they making decisions. My setup's fire, but the market don't care. It flipped the whole zone like truth or dare. And you be wildin', heart rate rising. One tick in, now I'm analyzing. Breakouts break me, fake out, shake me. This ain't a market, it's a straight up daydream. And you be wildin', fast like lightning. Slaying my stops, man, this chart's exciting. You think you got it? Nah, it's a trap. Welcome to the jungle, better check that map. I'm scalping ghosts, I'm trading smoke. NQ's laughing, man, this ain't no joke. But I'll be back with a plan so tight, cause even NQ gotta sleep at.
I don't know. You tell me, man of the woods. You let me know what you think of it. It is crazy, but I made it a long time ago, I believe. Well, I dropped the picture before, but I never dropped the song. So I dropped the picture long ago, and I never got the song perfected. And I finally got it. Yeah, it's a little tough. It's like a I call them like dark lullabies. So it's kind of a twist on, yeah, creepy lullaby, exactly. Sammy, are you still here? Hopefully. Maybe not.
Jump 10 points just to shift the gears. You trading metal, you trading pride. It pulls you deep, then flips the tide. You thought it was done, now this is the start. Gold don't care about your fibs or your chart.
I seen it pause for hours, then explode in seconds. Whips our dreams, cold and lessons. It don't follow rules, it breaks them, then rewrites them, then rewrites them. Gold got moves, swings, don't get caught. Moves like a queen, cold behind.
Could be a decent flip on the 15. I bet Paul might take this. If you can get the 0.5 of this wick. I don't know if Paul's still here. Hopefully I'll make it back. If you can get the 0.5 of this wick. Yeah, pretty close. If you can get here, your stop would be... it's still going to be a little high. I might try it, but... the flip wouldn't be bad, guys. Short, you mean? Yeah. I'm not going to take it because I don't run off the 15. I'm going to wait for the 30 to close. So I'm going to wait another 15 minutes and make sure this 30 closes below. I'm just saying Paul would probably take that flip on the 15. So what I would look for, me myself, for a close down here. That's what I hope for here. So instead of being bullish here, we're actually bearish. And then get a wake up and a flip before short, but that's me. Should be about to test that 0.5 now. Yep. So I like to see an actual 30-minute close. Everything's good, even on the hour currently. So we got wick to recover here. That wick's kind of small, not nearly as bad, but I mean, just filling this area here would be fine, right? Make that a box. So if you could get in somewhere here, essentially that's what you're looking for your recovery of. And what is that? That's like a 83 tick range. And I mean, you could get down even further, and I'm not going to say that you will, but you can kind of trade that range. But I will wait for it. We got a nice wick on the bottom of this candle currently. If we close below, it's still going to be decent, right? You're still going to have about 25 ticks or so. So you should be able to have about 20 ticks to take advantage of. You're still here. Okay, Sammy, I was going to drop the TRC videos that you could watch once the stream's over. That's the actual strategy that I trade that will help you some. They're kind of old, but I plan on putting out some new videos. They are a little old, but that's essentially the strategy I trade. That'll catch you up once we are off stream if you got any time to watch those. It'll kind of get you up to speed on what we do here every day.
I see the magic box worked. Good man, Reality. I'm back.
Yeah, we're holding it. We're holding it, Paul. I was telling him you might take the flip on this 15 if she touches the 0.5 here, but I wasn't sure if you would or not. I'm going to wait for the 30, but
yes, I'm going to wait for the 30 as well. The 15 doesn't work as well on the gold as it does on the Nasdaq.
Yep, very true, very true.
Nasdaq just pierced London low again. Ooh,
yep.
Yes, carrying through it. Okay, interesting.
Started out like you, chasing fast money moves. Lost it all one time, had to pay my dues. Now I study patterns like a sacred art. Keep my feelings locked away, that's being smart. Every morning grinding, watching lines events. Nothing left to chance, this ain't no romance. Build it brick by brick, no shortcuts here. Patience is the path that got me in the clear. They all wanna know how I stay so cool when the pressure's high and the stakes are cruel. But I learned the whole way,
Be super nice to see her come up here, run this high quick, and then just fall apart and close bearish. That would be super, super, super great. Don't think it will, probably, but I would really like it. If it just kind of swept these highs and then just fell back down.
See the signals clear when my mind is right. Keep my moves strategic through the day and night. Build my empire slow, yeah, that's my style. Watch and learn the game, it took me.
I'm on a short on the Nasdaq now.
Very nice, very nice.
When they panic sell, I keep my head straight. That's the difference between good and being great. Sometimes I sit back and think about the lessons.
I just dropped the top step banner on the chat there for everybody to see. Minus 116, minus 130.
Oh my jeez. Yeah, Paul's killing it, man, Bear Bull, for sure.
I'm out. I'm out.
Very nice, very nice.
I've actually nearly made more money than Top Step combined today.
That's even better yet.
It's beyond parity.
I remember when I told you guys that when we first started all this stuff, I said you can go onto these streamers and just fade what they're doing, and you'd be surprised how successful you can do just doing that. And I think everybody thought when I first said that I was absolutely out of my mind, but Paul took it to heart. Look at him now.
Oh yeah, I listened very closely. Just very bad traders bans, to be honest with you. Plus two, I don't think it they make all their money through commissions, so I don't think they actually really care whether they win or lose.
Here comes a sweep. Come on, come on. I just don't know if we have enough time to fall back apart. Should sweep here though. Come on.
Yeah.
On a quick move up. Let's go, let's go. Oh, they're gonna let him get in again. Just long enough. If I go and pop the top here, hopefully it pushes up really, really quick if they sweep that. But they're letting them get short again. That is interesting.
So they're basically just allowing the shorts to come in now because we have Asia highest of the day. So normally what happens, not always, but I mean, this is normally what we like.
Yep.
Watching all these suckers make the same mistakes while I'm in the back plotting my escape. Years of preparation, analyzing trends. Cold night.
NQ is still dropping.
Made it through the storm, now I see the light. Living by the system that I built myself. Knowledge is the currents more than money and wealth. Watch me stack my wins like it's mathematics. While they moving sloppy, I stay calculated. Learn, trade, win, that's the way. Every day we begin, stack it up. Learn, trade, win, never stop. Till we all eating good again. Mirando los números, estudiando juego. While these fools sleeping, yo no tengo sueño. Aprendí las reglas, now I break the code. Desde abajo hasta arriba, that's how the story goes. Lost 100 times, but I'm still here standing. Cada pérdida taught me new understanding. Now I move smooth like agua en el rio. Got the perfect timing, that's my estilo. All my people eating, we don't stress no more. Built an empire from the knowledge that I stored. Every win I get, I spread gain to my team. Now we all up, living out a scheme.
Yep.
Money flowing steady like
Fell right back into this range right here, Sammy. Is where you're at currently.
work behind the scenes.
So you should have some longs come in here.
Had to reshape my mind. Leave the fear behind.
To what degree? You know, that's tough because you got a gap right here as well. So fair value gaps here, you'll see a lot of longs come in once we start filling that gap. A lot of SMC traders out there, ICT traders, they're going to be trading that gap pretty heavily.
Would the SMC boys and ICT boys really not be looking for shorts at this point in time?
On NQ, no.
Right?
No, I don't think so.
Why?
I mean, they should be looking for longs in this area right here because this is where your fair value gaps come in at. This is where your, I mean, these are the blocks that have held this whole time. So it came up, broke this block. This is your breaker block now. Held, continued for the move up, and now we're coming back down into this area. So now if we make a big position down, they'll be looking for shorts. If you see a big position down here, like this candle comes in, of course, here's where the problem comes in at because it's after the fact, right? If this candle comes down like this, and let's just say this is where our wick is. All right, so this is the candle we create. And then the next candle, we come up, you know, do something like this and just kind of create a doji. Then yes, they'll be looking for shorts back off of the next candle that comes in. So say that was a bearish candle, they'll look for shorts right here from that bang of that gap right there to be filled to come back down. That's not until after the fact. That's the whole beauty of it. You can always say that you took the position the wrong way, or there was another position, or whatever the case may be, and that's always where the problems come in with all the strategies out there, because once supply turns demand, well, what is it? Well, number one, you hit your stop, but what is it now? Well, now you should have been trading the other way then, right? And that's how all the strategies work, and that's the problem. So when you look at it past tense, after everything's done, well, it's easy to see this. Okay, well, here you were, so here was your supply. Well, obviously you're supposed to short there, right? So it's super easy to look at after the fact.
Mm-hmm.
But hey, PD, good morning, good morning. What did gold do? She closed above. Well, then there's that. So we are just going to be ranging probably for a little while here, sadly. So your thoughts are going to be right here. Going to be what you essentially will be trading. You could even go as far as down here. I doubt it though. So we're probably going to be trading this for the rest of the afternoon. If we get out of there, obviously no. Shorts will come in here. I mean, shorts are going to come in at these highs all day. You already know that. So if you're trying to trade in the stop losses, the highs, take advantage of that. Previous day high. The structure here, obviously. But, yeah, I bet she's going to be pretty sideways.
Did I miss something?
Nope.
Oh,
Nothing
yes,
at all.
does.
Nothing at all. It was.
Well, thank you, Trader. She definitely does.
I mean, if you're talking, unless you were talking about all the tacos, you did miss all the tacos.
Look at that.
Yeah, we've been eating tacos. All of us. We've just been sitting here eating tacos the whole time you were gone. We're like, Aiken's not here. He can't eat all the tacos, so we're gonna eat tacos.
Fuckers. Always seen without me.
There's a nice move on the 15 minutes on the NQ. You would have probably taken down to the POC.
243, 244.
Wifey
Yeah.
dropped that Paul over in the cooking channel.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, she's only did tortillas so far, but I'll copy the link and give it to you so that you know where it is. She did that so that everybody else, because she figured other people could ask if, so it's there. So now everybody can access it. Tortillas so far, she's still working on it, but that's where she dropped the first part of it anyway.
Yo, I'm about to short Nasdaq.
All right, short Nasdaq, good deal. Saucy action, yeah.
Let's see.
She rolling.
Yeah, but the previous 30 has no wick on it, so I got out of that trade. I got $50 and she ran, I don't know how much more, but again, like I said, I'm not bothered. It was a nice move. But I was looking to re-enter on 15 or the 30, but it did not give me the wick up. So I'm a bit cautious here now, so I'm going to sit on the sidelines now and watch what the hour does. Well, that's the plan now until I get bored. Okay, I'm with you. I went for a short there on the.
Yep, me too. I chickened in. Yep.
I'm still in now, so let me see. Yeah, we're coming down now to the box that Reality drew up at 242. So, as long as I can survive the drawdown, that no wick at the top scares me. But once let me see.
I'm just gonna get it out at this point.
We broke the POC as well. Well, $50. I'll get it.
It's like puffing on a joint. You gotta hold it.
No, you need to look at it on the 800 and see what it's doing. You know what? I'm out for 25. That's okay. I'm happy enough.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm officially.
Oh, it's right there. I'm out.
Oh, excellent.
$77. $77.
Well done, man. Beautiful.
I target what I told you. 343, right? Boom, there it is.
Yeah, Reality had his box drawn down there for the order block, whatever the other name she put on it. So I got out before it got that far. But again, another great call. Yeah, I'm happier now taking 10-year amounts more often.
Here we go. And now we have 437.4 on gold. So
Gold.
it reached two targets, Nasdaq and gold. Okay.
I must go. I'm too busy watching the Nasdaq.
Try to be careful.
Gold, we should have shorts coming in. It should push through, but we should have shorts coming in here shortly when we get this push up. It's slowed down a lot. So just long VS. Beautiful.
She'll probably run, but I think she's gonna correct first.
Spicy chicken. Good stuff. Spicy ground beef.
Do you know what I told? Did I tell you I went to eat tacos, or I went to Mexican on Friday, and I walked in there, and I realized they redid their menu, dude. I was paralyzed. I didn't know what to do. So then the guy came over, and I was like, "Hey, nice menu. Like, did you guys redo it?" He's like, "Yeah, today is the first day we're releasing it or opening it up." And I said, "Okay, well, what happened to my favorite tacos?" He's like, "Which one? Which one?" I said, "You know, the one with the octopus and the chorizo and all that good stuff." He's like, "You're probably the only one who ordered it." I was like, "So what? Put it back on the menu."
Yeah, I'm a regular. I'm your best dang customer. Stop playing with me.
Right?
So they let you order it or no?
No. It's off the menu. Because I remember my buddy came over because he got it was like shrimp soup. It was off of their secret menu, and the one guy comes from the back to the front, and he said something in Spanish, or pretty much was the equivalent of, "There's no substitute. Like, what's on the menu is what's on the menu." Because, you know, we used to be like, "Oh, let's get this," and then we'll start adding shit because they would do it for us. But then he's like, "No more."
Range recovery. Yep. See, here's your fair value gap on that. We should be tapping it right here. This is where the longs should come in at. Oh, right here.
I think it'll still drop.
Yeah, and it might, but the longs are going to come in. You'll see reaction here. So your fair value gap's going to get hit. Longs will come in, and then it's all about grabbing their stops on the way. You know what I mean? If we can get down to their stops, which should happen. We never touch the 0.5. So I expect to go down more.
Yeah.
Oh, you're running.
You never tap this
I
yet.
got out of that one way early.
But the R size also at the bottom. Be careful.
Oh no, I'm happy enough. Like I said, it's just that just gives me more confidence. Like I said, I'm hopping out of trades too early. So as long as you're confident in your entry, we'll be able to let the trades run longer.
Yeah.
But again, I still like being able to fire away that 50, 60 bucks. So you get that and reset and aim again. Because the NQ always gives us those opportunities that gold very rarely does.
213.
Quite so often.
I think they might be targeting 213 homes.
See
how heavy these longs come in. See, they are holding. They're letting the longs come in. I'd like to see a lot more reaction than that before they run through it.
Yeah, the 4 hour is moving down with plenty of vigor. A lot of clean area to clear as well. You can get past 189. This will probably be the same thing as yesterday. We'll sit here all evening, and then 9 o'clock at night it'll bloody make its move. Well, 9 o'clock night time, that is. I keep forgetting it's not 9 o'clock for everybody.
I think it'll probably close around 247, maybe 248.
15 minutes has no top wick, which is a concern for me.
That's what I think.
30 minutes has none either.
This is
We'll see what happens.
Hit that perfectly. Longs came in perfect, guys. I bet they take them out. I'd like to see it come up just a little more, but it's no big deal. You could have got, I mean, if you were just trying to scalp this on the 800, I bet there was an opportunity to get in there. I'd like to see it come up and at least tap this area on like your 5, then flip, recover this wick, and then push through them stops would be super great.
Yeah.
What what area on the 5? I don't have the YouTube open.
That was super accurate. Yeah. That's because you just know where everybody else is trading at, Bands. That's why it's so easy to fade traders. Super easy. I mean, you know exactly where they're going to enter. Everybody says, "Oh well, do you have order flow? Do you have some kind of order flow data?" No, what do you need it for? What do you need order flow for when you know where, you know, SMC traders are going to enter, ICT traders are going to enter, supply demand traders are going to enter, support resistance traders are going to enter. You don't need order flow. You know where the orders are sitting. What do you need order flow to tell you that for? Let's sweep. Come on.
Well, I'm on.
There we go. Let's go.
Come on.
I'm telling you, Paul got in on the flip of that 5. She's going to sweep good here too. Good job, Paul. He listens too much. Come on, push, 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 girl. Push, 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 girl. We want to see Paul super happy with this one. One more tap to the low, and it should be a nice little dip here. Tap, dip.
Come on,
go.
2 or 3, 2 or 3, 2 or 3.
Go, go,
Boom,
go. There we go.
Dragging with a
They're
stop
stepping
loss.
in. Volume's coming in.
Yeah, watch your 0.5 of this wick. Yeah, longs are going to try to get back in, but it should sweep the low. He's probably already out, though.
Any bucks? Oh, no.
Very nice,
Yeah.
guys. Very nice. Good job, good job. I still think we probably come down and test him. Very good, everybody. Very good, very good. Is that TRC? Yeah, it is on Nasdaq. I don't have the 800 up, so I can't tell you exactly the entry was there, but yes, on the 5 minute the entry played perfectly. So the entry was the flip of this candle right here, recovering this wick, expecting the stops to be grabbed. It should go down and hit the 0.5 of the previous wick now. I don't think we got there yet, so you should see another push down here. But yeah, your entry would have been on this short position right here. So you would have went short right there. Stop loss here. TP1 would have already been grabbed, and you are targeting the wick lows here to sweep this area right here. So that's where you'd be at right now, just dragging your stop. So you'd already be stop in profit, TP1 taken and running here. Yeah. So, or out. I mean, if you're managing it tight, you'd already be out of this position. But you expect that they sweep this now, which should happen about right now. Should be the sweep back down. Very nice, guys. Absolutely unbelievable. And for all you guys that are new or don't get it, Bands, you know, Sammy, just show up every day, guys. And Bands, you have been, so you guys will get it. It just takes a little bit. Start wrapping your head around it, right? So, it's not super hard. All we're doing is watching where everybody else is entering and expecting, you know, an opportunity for their filled position so that we can trade in their stop losses. So, because at the end of the day, traders are what? Liquidity. All traders. So that's what people don't get. They think that they're not liquidity after a liquidity sweep. You get a liquidity sweep, now all of a sudden the liquidity was swept, so I'm going to enter now because liquidity was swept. No, now you're liquidity. If you enter after liquidity was swept, you're liquidity. Every time you enter a position, that's liquidity. That's the problem. That's what people don't get. The orders are liquidity. So... very nice, guys. This gold's going to start coming down just a little bit once we tap these highs here. Might peek out. Let's see if we can find any orders up here. I've got some kind of gray box here. Must mean something. Paul knows what it means. Just ask him. I have no idea. But I assume maybe we'll peek out the top and try to find some orders up here, guys. Peek above from previous day. See if we can't find any orders up here. And if you find orders, obviously she'll come back up. If we can't find any orders, she will come back down, back into this range, and probably be kind of boring throughout the rest of the day. My thought process, so that's the rest of the day on gold. Nasdaq's still got plenty of room, guys. Still got plenty more room.
All right, I'm back. What'd I miss?
Tacos.
Damn, I was missing shit.
It's all tacos all day.
You're missing all these trades on the NQ.
I know.
Yeah.
Phone call, man. Fuck.
So, very beautiful, guys.
They'll probably run it at like 041.
Yeah. We have what do you call me? I've got today's VWAP down at 146, so it's I would expect it to hit that at least. But after all these trades, I'm going to cool down for a while because this has been one hell of a fucking streak. So I don't want to push my luck now and do something stupid. So I'm going to watch for a wee while now.
Does anybody got any questions, guys? Any new people, anything? You got any questions for us today? For me, Paul, Aiken, anybody?
Oh yeah, we had a question earlier about buyers and sellers. We were trying to figure out, I think I was confused, so I was trying to make it a little more like dumbed down version of buyers and sellers. So when the sellers are up top, they're selling to keep the price wherever they want to keep it at, whereas the buyers are buying the price to keep it at that range, that location, that price. Is that what we're talking about, Jiggy?
That's exactly what we were trying to work out yet.
Hold on. Explain it again.
Oh, so when it was buying it, like buyers and sellers, we were trying to. So the sellers are at the top, selling to keep the price at whatever level they're choosing at, and buyers are what? Buying the price to keep it from going lower, so they buy it at whatever. Does that kind of make sense?
I mean, they talk about buying pressure and selling pressure. Yeah, I mean, if that's what you're talking about, basically they, you know, when they talk about it, that's how they'll explain it. Yeah, but you know, I mean, basically, buyers buy, right, expecting the price is going to go up, so they'll make money, and sellers sell, expecting that it's going to go down to make money. Now, if you're talking about from a market maker, standpoint, rather than just, I mean, the reason that you know, traders buy is because they're at demand or they're at support or whatever, you know, they're at a bullish order block or a fair value gap fill. They're buying expecting price is going to bounce there because these things happen, and those are all just self-fulfilling prophecies essentially, because other traders do the same thing. So you're going to see the reactions, right? Because all traders trade exactly the same things, basically. So that's why you see price go up and down where those areas are, right? Now, if you're asking about, and that goes the same, traders, institutions, right? Because everybody gets so confused about, they try to separate what traders and institutions do. Institutions trade just the same as traders do, right? Everybody's trading the same thing. People don't get that. Now, if you're asking about market makers and how they are doing price, well, for them it's more about money. So it's about where the orders are, right? So if they're at a high point and they are trying to keep price at said point, let's say we're at an all-time high, well, they don't want it just to blast off if they're trying to move price up. So just say right now that this was NQ's all-time high, right? We'll just put this on the chart. And they were trying to hold price here because all the stop losses are here. Well, what they'll do is they'll take their orders and they'll just start buying some orders, right, in order to hold this price here. while everybody else is selling, trying to get this thing pushed down, trying to get it pushed down. They'll just sit there and put in little buys in order to attack all the stop losses above. Because like we've said before, if there's, and just think about this white line is $10 million worth of orders sitting there, because those are stop loss orders. There's $10 million here. If the market makers can use $5 million to push up into this area against the buyers, they get that $10 million. So they just doubled their money. Right. Does that make sense? Hopefully. Is he on?
No, I was trying to load the YouTube at the end, so I missed the last probably like 30 seconds. I was trying to load the video so I could see what you were showing on the screen. Okay,
well, you want me to show you again?
Yeah.
Okay. So say this is our all-time high. So say that, you know, this is your highs. This is where everybody's wanting to short at. You know, we can even make it look nice and do this number with it. So here's where everybody's shorting at, right? So here's where they're shorting. Their stop losses are above the highs, right? Well, instead of letting this price go down, what the market makers will do is just buy. Put in a little bit of buy, put in a little bit of buy in order to hold this price. And you'll see it as it sits here and holds. You can see it in the candle building. I talk about this all the time, right? And what the reason for that is if there's $10 million worth of stop losses here, and they can hold this price and push it up for $5 million, well, they just doubled their money. And then once they get up here, well, now they've got all those orders, and now they can turn on supply. If you think about something like a swing failure pattern, things like that, that's essentially what's going on. What they're doing is grabbing the stops. They're getting $10 million worth of order to turn supply back on to drop it back down, and you'll see this swing failure pattern that everybody talks about. So it looks something like this. You got this candle, comes in, and we'll make it green so it makes sense. It comes in like this, big candle pops up, and then you've got your top wick, right? And that's just them stops getting ran, and then it will come down. And how many times have we traded this? 1 million over, and run red. And this happens a lot during news events for sure, because there's so many people trading, and that's what they've done. They've just grabbed the stops and ran it back down. So they come up, get their 10 million, drop the orders. And what that looks like to traders now, unfortunately, on a small time frame, because we're not on the 30-minute anymore, what it looks like to them is we broke out. So breakout traders will long here. Everybody that now is trading supply demand, and you'll see that come in as well. Now they believe everybody swapped everything because we broke out. Now this is supply flip demand. Now this is a breaker block. So now it's bullish. So what they're looking for is the breakout retest. And what they'll get is this little reaction here for them to grab all the stop losses down below. That's why swing failure patterns happen. So it's nothing but going towards orders. That's it. Makes sense, hopefully?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Absolutely, man. Anybody else got any questions, guys? Anything before we pack up today?
I think everybody knows what we're looking for now at this stage.
Here's that gold we were talking about. They're going to come up here, start looking for orders above. Let's pay attention to it, guys. If you trade gold after 11, I try not to, but I mean, if it's moving well, I may. I normally just try to take from 11 to 1, 2, and just kind of break, and then start trading NQ at 2, unless I really see something going on here. So you do know what you're looking for on gold. Nasdaq, same thing. We're coming down. Where's your next long order is going to come in at? Long order should come down. This area is already here, so you've got this range, and then obviously the bottom there. So here's where we're at. And then the bottom's going to be, let's turn this into a box. You'll see your long start coming in these areas here. Even up into this wick here. So you'll see long start coming in these areas, and even more so once you get here and that gap's filled, obviously they'll start coming in super heavy again down in these areas. Will it hold? Maybe not. The only bad thing about this is you've got a very tight consolidation range below you. So The problem with that is it'll start getting choppy down in here. It won't be that nice push that you saw here where we had clean area to push through. See what I'm saying? So it'll get a little choppy down here. So if the stops are ran, you're not going to see such a brilliant move like the last one. That's why we're always looking for a clean area. It could get something more like this, kind of bang around here a little bit. Will the stops be ran? Could be, yes, if the setup presents itself, but it's not super clean like this move was here, right? Just be aware of that. If you are going to get in there, it could get a bit choppy. Could have pushed straight through. Yeah, it can, but chances are to get a little choppy. Once you get down below that area, though, right here, if you pay attention to the structure, once you get down here, well, what's it going to be? You know, smooth sailing pretty much down through there. Once you get down below. So does that mean we're going down there? No, absolutely not. We can turn around, come right back up. And what do we got? Clean area to trade back up. So very nice. Again, it comes in and it fills this gap and gets everybody thinking that this is the retrace to go long. Well, what do you end up with? I mean, to go short, sorry, the retrace to go short, what do you end up with? All your stop losses to take advantage of up here again. So they all go short, you wait for that, and then trade into those stop losses, put a wick on this candle and this candle, right? So trade it back up long. So we have no bias, guys. We don't care where the market goes, just as long as it goes, just as long as traders continue to trade, and they always will, because for them, this is a casino. So they're always going to come back and play, but do remember that the casino, they have to win sometimes too, or else they'll never come back. So don't just jump in a position because they're the other way, because the traders do have to win sometimes, guys. They won't spend no more money if they don't win any. So be very aware of that as well. Any questions? Any questions?
All good, my man. Thank you very much for today. And I'll catch you at the usual time for the last couple of trades this evening.
Beautiful, beautiful. Have a good one, Paul Aiken. Have a good one. Bands, Man Bear Bull, PD, Sonny. Have a good one. Man of the Woods. Have a good one. Riz, if you're still here, you may be asleep already. Werner, have a great rest of your day. Initian, have a great rest of your day. Or Neo's probably out there. I don't know. Have a good rest of your day, guys. I will see you all bright and early tomorrow morning. And as always, guys, stay consistent out there.
Y'all move pieces random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice, 10 steps ahead. Your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check your mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You move too late, I already sealed your fate. My mind's a supercomputer processing gains, while y'all still confused by simple price change. Learn, trade, win, that's a mission. Learn, trade, win, a competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, get it. Pawns advanced strategic, every move methodic. While y'all play checkers, I'm out here encyclopedic. Quick with the statistics, flowing algorithmic. Brain automatic, profit systematic. Fuck what you heard about fast cash and luck. I studied patterns till my vision got stuck. Now every chart I see reveals the truth. Market manipulation can't shake my groove. Queen takes bishop but controls the field. Knowledge is power, that's my strongest shield. Call me grandmaster of this trading floor, while y'all still learning what the game is for. Patience in motion, strategic devotion. Watch and learn, feel the burn. Learn, trade, win. Accelerate the pace, leave no trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping, studied the craft while y'all been creeping. Now watch me demonstrate perpetual check while your account balance hits the deck. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, that's the system. Check, wait, game over. Level up, game over. Learn, trade. Learn, trade. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn, yeah. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Started from the bottom with a phone in my hand. Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every sign. First few trades hit me like a brick wall, but I ain't give up, now I learn from every fall. You're wasting time, that's what my daddy said. Get a real job, man, I mess with my head. But I kept pushing, kept my focus tight. Now my account growing, future looking bright. Hey, learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. My time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Baby. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Red candles had me doubting everything. Green days came slow like a broken wing. But I studied hard, yeah, I paid my dues. Now I'm teaching others how to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend, making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market hill. They said I couldn't make it, said I should quit trading. Now look who's calculating, while they stay hating. Hey. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. Yeah. Watch and learn. I stay quiet while they loud. Keep it cool in the crowd. Watching charts day and night. Taking notes, got my lane. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Lost it all back in May. Learned my rules, found my way. emotions when I trade. Calculate every play, check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Started from zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Trust on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent money. Yeah. Watch and learn. Silent moves. That's how we do it.
Yeah. You fuck that weak shit. I stay focused while they all quit. Let's go.
All day I grind, screen in my face, numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say, I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks. Ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, call it precise. Ready to prove, bid it their price. Weighted strike, do it right. Learn the game, stack the game. Patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head. Make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply, yeah. D charts tell the truth, data don't lie. Here's the proof, watch profits fly. Discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right. I'm on throne.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
back in attack, flow like a pro. Stay on the track, watch numbers grow. Cut through the shit, trust what I know. Win bit by bit, put on a show. Every move planned, nothing by chance. Take my stance, seize my advance. Quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits. Getting paid, getting paid. Ring, 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 ring. Charts on my screen, mind in the zone. Studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Quick with the clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Things
finger on the trigger, heart beating fast. Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Community strong, we share what we know. Each trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay calculated. Patient assassins, highly rated. Break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical masteries where we transcend. Keep it controlled, no emotional trades. That's how the real fucking money gets made. Discord buzzing, knowledge flowing free. Real-time updates from LTW family. Chart patterns forming, we spot them quick. Experience taught us which ones to pick. Slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every loss I took brought me right here. Built my strategy through blood and tears. Now I execute without any fears.
Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Time to accelerate, watch how I close. Each trade I take, building verbose. Rapid execution, precision sharp. Like a fucking sniper in the dark. No hesitation when I see the sign. Years of practice got my skills refined. Community backing every move I make. That's why this shit isn't cards till they knew my name.
This ain't luck, this is pure damn skill. Watch how we fucking climb up this hill. Learn, trade, motherfucking win. That's the mindset that we're always in. Discord army, we don't ever quit. Making history with every hit.